Save me! I don't want to be king anymore.
Hey, fool, not that way. The road to the moon hill is this way. Follow me.
I can't do it anymore. Where is the tiger?
We left the tiger behind. But this is the labyrinth forest. It's not easy to get out of here.
Hey, does it matter? I'm the fox scholar.
This is not the time to be stupid. Use your eyes, fox. The path where the firefly flower blooms is the only path.
I got it! How clever I am.